name is Christina Abbott. I own Strutt Central, which is a modeling and talent agency, and Wore.design, which is like an eco agency for fashion designers. We started actually doing photo shoots there, and then progressively I moved into model and talent representation. So that's how Strutt came to be, and yeah, through that I stayed in Peterborough and developed Strutt for about 5 years.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
And so,
This is new.
is our helper today.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about what you're currently involved with in the fashion. This is perfect. Yes. This for some reason reminds me of like Professor McGonagall from Harry Potter and her like cat. Or wait, was she the cat?
Oh, you just want your 5 minutes of fame.
This is actually
Oh God.
amazing. So with starting your own company with Strutt and then starting the company Wore, what did you find some consistent themes were, and what did you say helped you through the process of making sure that you were supporting them as you needed to?
So I started both of them with partners and with the dreams with somebody else, and you know, sometimes you can work with a partner and it gets off really well, but when stressful situations start to arise, when you first start a business, you know, fighting starts happening, disagreement starts happening. So in both situations, my partners decided that, you know, they're choosing different paths, and I chose to continue on with both businesses. With Wore, it previously was called Montpellier, and I had two partners. And through Montpellier, we started 2 eco fashion challenges. So the first one was with Catwalk for Water. It was in conjunction with Aveda, and we challenged 25 designers to create a couture look out of recycled jeans. So we got 1,000 pounds of jeans, and then 25 Toronto designers, and we met them all, and they picked from the pile their pants to create their couture look. And the whole point was to showcase how wasteful the fashion industry is, but also how wasteful denim is as a fabric in terms of water resources, because the show was a charity fashion show for raising money for WaterAid Canada, and they have clean water initiatives all around the world that they support. This specific one was in Madagascar. So Aveda is an amazing company that's always supported sustainability and ecologically sound products, and so we partnered with them, and we had an amazing group. And the designs that from our first challenge, like it was so inspiring to me to see the creativity, and the designers only had 2 weeks to put it together, and from that we had winners. So each one of the winners, the prize was we were going to help them develop an eco capsule collection, and that's the designers that I'm working with now. The second one was the challenge material was it's called thread, and it was made. This is actually made from the thread material. It is made from recycled plastic bottles, and it's sourced in Haiti. So they've got this really beautiful network there where they pay people to collect garbage because it's a third world country, and they don't have a lot of resources there so to make money. So they employ people to do this, and then they basically reduce the bottles into a fabric. So they repurpose the bottles into a fabric. So I'm pretty much wearing plastic bottles right now. And this is the designer, Tanya Theberge, and she's again one of the challenge winners from the first competition that we held.
What advice would you give to anyone who's inspired by the fashion industry, anyone who's trying to get their foot in the door and get their voice heard?
Don't let people's opinions influence your passion or your vision. And that's one of the biggest things, is you can't let anybody discourage you. And if you feel like your gut instinct is this is what you want to do, then pursue it to the utmost, and don't let anyone deter you from that.